When your windows start showing signs of wear, drafts, sticking frames, condensation, or visible damage, you're faced with an important decision: repair or replace. While repairs may seem like the quicker or more affordable option at first, they aren't always the most practical long-term solution. For homeowners in Austin, understanding when replacement makes more sense than repair can help protect comfort, efficiency, and overall home value. When window repairs make sense in some cases, repairs are perfectly reasonable. If the issue is minor, such as worn weather stripping, small hardware problems, or a cracked pane in an otherwise solid frame, repairing the window can restore performance. Austin homeowners dealing with isolated damage may find that a targeted fix resolves the issue effectively. Repairs are typically suitable when the window frame is structurally sound, the glass seal is intact, the issue is limited to 1 or 2 windows, there are no ongoing drafts or moisture problems. However, repairs only address surface-level concerns. If underlying issues exist, they may resurface over time. Signs: replacement may be the better option. Windows naturally age. Over time, seals break down, frames shift, and insulation performance declines. For Austin homeowners, replacement becomes the smarter choice when multiple windows show signs of air leakage, condensation appears between panes, frames are warped, cracked, or deteriorating, windows are difficult to open or close, indoor comfort fluctuates near window areas. When problems are widespread, repeated repairs can become more costly than a full upgrade. Energy performance considerations: older windows often lack modern insulation features. In Austin homes, temperature control plays a major role in everyday comfort. Replacement windows are designed with advanced glazing, tighter seals, and improved frame materials that support more stable indoor conditions. If your windows allow noticeable drafts or temperature shifts, replacing them may provide a longer-lasting solution than repeated repairs. Long-term cost efficiency: while repairs may cost less upfront, they can add up over time. Austin homeowners who repeatedly fix sticking frames, failing seals, or draft issues often find that replacement eliminates recurring maintenance concerns. A one-time investment in new windows can provide consistent performance for years. Comfort and functionality: windows should open smoothly, close securely, and maintain comfort. If your current windows require constant adjustment or no longer operate properly, repairs may only provide temporary relief. Replacement ensures reliable functionality without ongoing frustration. Curb appeal and home value: windows are a visible part of your home's exterior. Austin homeowners looking to refresh their property's appearance often find that new windows dramatically enhance curb appeal. Uniform replacement also creates a more cohesive look than patchwork repairs. When repair delays make things worse, ignoring recurring problems can lead to larger structural issues. Moisture intrusion, air leaks, and frame deterioration may eventually affect surrounding walls or interior finishes. In Austin homes, proactive replacement can prevent more extensive repairs later. Professional assessment matters: the best way to decide between repair and replacement is through a professional evaluation. Experienced window professionals in Austin can assess structural integrity, insulation performance, and overall condition. Their guidance helps homeowners make informed decisions based on long-term value, not just short-term savings. Making the right choice for your home: every home is different, and the right decision depends on the condition of your windows and your long-term goals. For Austin homeowners, minor issues may justify simple repairs. But when problems are widespread or recurring, replacement windows often provide better performance, improved comfort, and greater peace of mind. By weighing the benefits of each option carefully, you can choose the solution that best protects your home's comfort, appearance, and long-term value.